Jesus is my savior, the only tailor that could stitch my life together, the only sailor that could bring me to my destination. He's always there in every situation. He's the reason for the season. Hey, you need to listen up when your wife no go talk, say that you busy, oh. Jesus is taking all over me. Anytime I call him, he will always speak and he will put me for speaker. Oh my God, them the hear him, them the hear him, oh. The joy in my heart, I can't compromise. That Jesus is mine, he will always be mine. He dey always dey every night and day. He dey do the things where they bust my brain. Oh, he dey bust my brain. Jesus is taking all over me. Anytime I call him, he go always speak and he go put am for speaker. Think about God and them dey hear him, them dey hear him, oh. Hey, oh. What he has done for me, I can't comprehend. It's like a movie without an end. It's even much more than all I've read. What color could it be? Blue, pink, or red? He saved me in times when all seems dead. He listened even when eyes don't red.